What is up guys, this is Jayesh from GreedyTech and today we are unboxing EVM EnLap Pro laptop power bank. Now this is a 30,000 mAh power bank and it supports 65 watts fast charging. It has Lightning, Type-C and Type-A ports. More on that later. If you are looking to give some extra juice to your laptop and you're on the move, then look no further. This is going to be exactly what you need. Now here's the box. It says EVM, it says EnLap Pro laptop power bank. There's a preview of the power bank and a laptop. It says 30,000 mAh and 65 watt fast charging. On the side, it says 500 plus service centers across India. Buy one, give 10. If you buy one power bank, you contribute 10 rupees to Children Cancer Fund. This is compatible with laptop, tablet and phone. On the other side, it says power delivery technology, free 100 watt Type-C to Type-C cable inside, real 100% true capacity. And it also says 2 years warranty, which is great. On the back there are specifications and other information. Now let's unbox. There's another box inside. It also has preview of the power bank. Inside we get one power bank and one Type-C to Type-C cable. Let me remove the plastic. Now let's have a physical overview. On the front we can see the LEDs towards the top. There's an EVM branding towards the bottom and it says 65 watts here. On the side there is power button. On the top there is Lightning port, Type-C port and USB-A port. Now this power bank weighs 507 grams. Now these are the input-output power details. This is the Type-C to Type-C cable that comes in the box. Now let's look at review. This is a solid power bank. Overall it has a smooth texture and the design looks minimal. Even though it has little bit of heft to it, for a 30,000 mAh power bank, it is not too bulky and it is very portable. So it won't be an issue to carry it with your laptop. It has couple of options. It can be charged with Lightning cable and Type-C cable and it can give power to laptops, tablets, phones with Type-C ports or those devices that support Type-A port charging. Just carry this with you in the city and it should give your phones, tablets and even laptops some juice to power through the day. This power bank looks pretty cool. It is exclusively available at your nearby Vijay Sales store and also Vijay Sales website. The link will be in the description. The MRP is 8,999 but you can get this at 3,999 exclusively at Vijay Sales. That's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about this power bank? Let us know in the comments below. Meet you in the next one.